Alright, we're on our way for another bike adventure at the pier. Go. Huh? I'm gonna cut that out. Plus he's German anyways. And we're on the pier. Heading out to another bike adventure, heading back to Cebu, going to Moalboal for a little bit of lunch, and then coming back here. So this is the view. It feels good today. I'm doing pretty good getting off the boat. One time I had a bad experience, and I hit a rope, and it was slippery, and I fell off. I almost fell off the water, into the water. Let's get on. We ready for us or what? This is a different sized boat than we normally come on. Good? Which side? That side? And we are up. Alright, here we are again on the boat. Getting ready to head out. Where? I don't know how good my aim is because I'm not riding. So, there's another little boat there, and then there's Cebu back over there. We're gonna go there. So I just turned on the camera, but I don't know if it's recording right now. But we are on our way to... Where are we going? Moalboal? Huh? We're going to Moalboal, and we are back in the island of Cebu, heading up the east coast, no, the west coast, I guess. It just seems the opposite for me, because we're on the different side of the world. So we're heading up the east coast, and so on this side is Moalboal, Kasawan, how do you say that place? The falls? The falls, how do you say the falls place? Kalawasan Falls is on the side of the road. I think Asminya Peak is also on this side of the island. And Bareilly is also on the side of the island, and Toledo? Yeah, Toledo. It's way up there though. But oh, look at this nice house here. That's a nice one. Anyways, we're heading up the road here, and I got an announcement to make. There will be a new bike purchase tomorrow. I will be getting something tomorrow. So what this new bike is going to be, it's something that's been missing from the arsenal since we moved to Dumaguete. So I need to get a replacement for it. And then another good thing though too is later on this week we'll be coming back to Cebu, and I will be stopping by the Honda dealership again, the showroom. That's a lot of downshifts. I'll be stopping by the Honda showroom again to look at the big bike selection, because we need to take a look at two bikes for Juvie, whether it be she goes sport and gets the CBR 500, or she stays cruiser with their leather jackets and leather boots up there and gets the Honda Rebel 500 with the 27.5-inch seat height, which I think that may be an option. But she does want to get a sport bike in the past because she wants her butt to stick out. But then, you know what, she said, I think I'm just going to get a cruiser because some of the roads, we're riding with all Harley these days. And I don't have a Harley, but at least I got a V-twin. I don't know. Well, anybody can ride, you know, because she's got her single up there. But I think she's in the cruiser mode now. So that'll be in the future. I don't have a job, so I can't be getting that for her right now. But maybe later on, something like that might happen. And we're stuck in traffic here now. So, but anyways, there will be a bike purchase tomorrow. And what will it be? Who knows? Will it be? Oh, you know what, too? This is where we stopped and ate last time. So, my friend Ricky, he was gonna buy. He's got 2 Harleys now, and he was thinking about buying another one. But you know, I was thinking there is that Ducati Moalboal in Cebu for sale. Maybe I'll have him get that. But I gotta talk to some people and see if we can get him to test ride that thing. Because I think if he rides that thing, I think he'll really like it. But anyways, I'm gonna close this one out on what will the new bike be, a bike reveal, a bike purchase, a bike something coming soon. And I'll give you a hint. I have a friend in Manila named Joseph. So I'm pretty sure by now you'll have a hint on what's gonna get bought, but not necessarily what you think. Look at this guy's water. So, alright, thanks again. See you next time. We're gonna head to the resort. I don't even know if I'm recording right now because I can't hear anything. But if I am, I'll end this and see you at the resort. If not, I'll see you next time. If not, I'm not recording, then I'll do the whole speech again on the way back. So, but until then, I'll just keep blabbering on. So, bye. See you next time. Ah, the ocean air. I have no idea. That cow got scared. That cow got scared he was gonna run in the road. He almost ran into me. You see good in the shadows with those glasses? You see good in the shadows with those? You can see good in the shadows. The shadows don't, like, it's hard for me to see in the shadows. These guys are going to Kowalson Falls. Is that her legs? Are they red legs? Man. She's got a sunburn. Alrighty, we just got done having a little drink at, we're in Moalboal at the Chili Bar. So damn nice here. So everyone's out there snorkeling, doing all this stuff out there, and we're heading out here. People are over here eating, having a good time. I wish I could have a beer right now, but we're driving, otherwise I'd have about 10. And we're on our way out. We're gonna go somewhere else and eat. So this is the other side of the restaurant, and we're gonna go on our way. This little doggy, we got pool tables here on our way to the other place, and we'll go take a look over there. They have Guinness here too, but it's like $4 a beer. Otherwise, I'd get some of that too. This is Chili Bar. We're heading out, and then we're gonna go up the road over here, and then go back by the bikes where we parked. There's another restaurant we're gonna eat at. This place looks pretty good here. All the divers are here. Moalboal.
That's where your stage is at? How was it? Comfortable? How much did they charge tonight?
There's the Pleasure Principles. I don't know if that's like a Janet Jackson fan, or she got it from somewhere else, so that means something else. Silvery Seafood Grill Restaurant. The French Coffee Shop Bakery. Man, I'd like to get some croissants in there. And we are over here. People checking out the menu over there. The little place here looks pretty nice. Let's see, oven toasted garlic bread for 60 pesos. There's the bikes. And we are gonna go inside here. Take a look around. Oh yeah. Oh, what we got going on over here? Yeah, right there's good. Is it reserved? Well, that's all the way down there. Yeah. This one over here. This one okay? This one? This one? This one? This one okay?
Okay then.
Yeah. Time to eat. Let's look at the menu. Pizza's here. We got the Meat Lovers Pizza. What'd you get? What'd you get?
Spaghetti marinara.
How much is it? How much it was?
I don't know.
How is it? So how is it?
Oh, hold on.
Wait.
This is my first.
How is it?
It's good.
Is it good? Let me see. Is it good?
You wanna try?
No, I'll try later. Is it good?
Yeah.
What's in there?
Squid, shrimp, and this one. The shell, I think.
Let's get to eating. Alrighty. Got a little problem with the monster. The oil filter was loose.
What?
Oil filter was loose.